Now we are doing number 1 on page 16, TEK 7.3 A and B. Eva, Josh, and David gather and shell pecans for their mother. Eva gathers 2.5 pounds of pecans. Josh collects 3.25 pounds. And David harvests 4 3/8 pounds. If they place all the pecans in one basket and each shells the same amount of pecans, how many pounds would each person shell? All right, let's look at our scratch paper. First of all, I've drawn an illustration that shows what Eva's basket looks like, what Josh's basket looks like, and what David's basket looks like. Eva's got 2.5 pounds in her basket. Josh has 3.25 pounds in his basket. David has 4 3/8 pounds in his basket. The first thing that concerns me here is that before I can combine all of what's in their baskets, they either need to be all in fraction format or decimal format. I can't combine them when they're mixed like that. So let's combine them, all right? So I'm going to take the 2.5, make it an improper fraction. 2 times 2 plus 1 is 5/2. I do my long division, put the 5 inside the house, 0.0 divided by 2 and get 2.5 is my decimal answer, okay? And now I'm going to do 3.25 I'd like to leave as a decimal, okay? So I just brought it over here that way. And then my 4 3/8 I need to make a mixed number, 35/8. When I divide that, I get 4.375, which I lined up my decimals with the other answers, okay? That's going to be very important in just a moment here. Now I've taken all of what everybody put in and I put it in one big basket. How do I do that? I add. I put it all together in one big basket. All right? And now that I've put it all in one big basket, I say my 2.5, and I put some zeros in here as placeholders, okay? But I lined my decimals up. That's why that was so important. And I got 10.125 pounds, okay? 10 and 125 thousandths is how we'd say it properly, right? So now I need to know how much each person would get if I divided this back out and everybody got enough for it to be even. Everybody should have the same amount so it can be fair. Okay, so now I've taken the 10.125, divided it by how many people? 3 people. That's why I got 3.375 for each person. Eva's now got 3.375 in her basket. Josh has 3.375 in his basket. And David also has 3.375 pounds in his basket. That's why our answer is B. Good job.